Hello guys, this is Kherk Roldan, and in this video I'm going to guide you and show you on how you can transfer or share the access for your GBP profile to your SEO specialist or SEO manager or whoever is that. Okay, so this guide is very helpful for you, and this is very simple as well. First, you need to go to google.com/business. Okay, and once you're here, you need to make sure that you're signed in already. If not, just click sign in. But in my case, I'm already inside, so I just need to click manage now. All right. Once you are in the right GBP email account, this is the right screen that you can see. However,
presenting your one-stop shop for SEO, GMB, link building, content creation, web design, and more. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. Enjoy 40 to 60% off for our services. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. The best dashboard for SEOs, agencies, and freelancers.
if this is not the right one, just go to business.google.com/location, and then you can see all the businesses that has your account. Okay, then just click see your profile or the other profiles here. Just click that one. So now I'm in the right GBP profile. Okay, so how you can share or add a manager, just click these three dots right here, and then click business profile settings. All right, go to people and access, and then right here you can see all the people has an access to your GBP. It's either they are the owner or a manager. You need to be very careful who the person you added here, okay, because they can delete your post, they can do anything here that is harmful to your GBP. Okay, so I have manager here. I'm the primary owner. You can just click this add now, and then you can type their email here. All right, just type their email. You can add them via owner. These owner functions, they can transfer the owner for that business profile. So very careful guys with that function. Okay, manager, this one. So if you have an SEO manager, just add them in the manager and then click invite. After that, they can receive a notification in their email. So this is the message after.
I'm sorry to cut you while watching my video, but if you have a brand, a business, SaaS, or any tools that you want to advertise in this section, email us at hello@kherkroldanseo.com.
The invitation, just click accept. Once done that, it will see you are now a manager of Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. That's it guys, it's very easy, right? And then let's say if you're not working to that person, just don't forget to remove. So how to remove? Click that person here again, just click remove, and then click remove. So that person will be deleted. By the way guys, if you want to learn SEO from yours truly, just go to searchenginemastery.com. I have a course here, right? From basic to advanced. I also have a lot of SOP here, from GMB creation, GMB Q&A, posting, how to do link building, how to do on-page, technical SEO, everything in SEO guys, I have that. All right, so if you have any follow-up questions, let me know. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.